If your back hurts, your balance sucks, or your abs ghost you when you squeeze your stomach, well, that's a quick sign that your core is calling for help. Let's fix that in just 10 minutes. My name is Josh. I'm a certified personal trainer, and I'm the owner of S2L. On this channel, we do real functional workouts that fit your lifestyle. If that's what you're into, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let's continue to grow this community. The first exercise is called the dead bug. You was born knowing how to do this. However, adulting messed it up. I know. Let's reset your core. Dead bug, you want to lie flat. Make sure that your core is activated at all times. Take your hand, stick it underneath your lower back. If you can feel there's a space, you're wrong. What you want to do is activate your core by pushing against the ground. That's when your core is activated. Put your knees up 90 degrees, hands up straight, and then you want to alternate your right arm down, right leg down at the same time. As far as my mobility allows, keeping my stomach pushed against the ground, keeping that core activated, come back up and then switch. As you can see, I'm keeping my core pressed against the ground. I'm still able to talk. One thing activated is my core, keeping it nice and strong and tight. Bear crawl hold. No, wrong bear. To do the bear crawl hold, you want to make sure that your hands is underneath. You want to make sure that your hands is underneath your shoulders. You also want to make sure that your knees is underneath your knees is underneath your hips. You want to get on your tiptoes. Don't lie flat. And then literally all what you do is brace your core like somebody's about to punch you. And then just push up and hold. When you're doing the bear crawl hold, all you want to do is hold it like this. Start off from 3 sets of 30 seconds each. The next exercise is the master of stability. This move stops you from your ankle and your lower back. What is it? Planks. Wait, I didn't say walk to plank. I said planks. When you want to start the side plank, you want to make sure that your elbow is underneath your shoulder for stability. You want to make sure that your body's in line, not canted. All right, your hips control the rest of your body. You want to make sure your top leg is straight. The bottom leg, you want to make sure the bottom foot is on top of the other foot. And all what you're going to do is you want to pull your hips up like someone's pulling it from a string, and then just hold this position. Dad, Jesus Christ, you didn't even let me finish. The Deadlift Reach, all what you're going to do is keep your core braced like someone's about to punch you. And then you're going to take one leg off the ground, and then you're going to reach. As far as your mobility allows, you want to keep the opposite leg a little bent. And then just reach, keep the core tight. Come back up. That's one. You want to, starting off, you want to do 3 sets of 12 reps each. So forget it. Just cue the exercise. To do the hollow hold, just like I said in the dead bug video, you want to make sure your core is activated. You push your lower back against the ground. That helps you to activate your core better. You want to put your arms above your head, hover it off the ground. Then you also want to pick your legs up and hover off the ground. Beginner, hold for 3 sets of 30 seconds each.